I think they were talking about like
all necessary and proper life-saving and firefighting equipment. Life jackets are stored in the labeled storage lockers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled in the storage lockers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. If you require special care or assistance in emergency situations, please make yourself known to a crew member. For your own safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially on the stairs. We hope you enjoyed our boat tour of the falls. Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises. Up the Niagara, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural causes. The high-tide rate of flow most of all the large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. While the height of the American Falls is higher than the height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line is 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its waterfall is 75,000 gallons.
Oh, nice.
Is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of waterfalls in the world tolerate, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide, and the
Wow. I'm wet, Arthur. Me, I'm fine. It's raining here. Wow, it's amazing. Dito sa Picasso. Kaso lang di ko kalakaw. Dito sa bagsak ko. Oh, sure. Woo, we're wet.